Hello everybody. Welcome to the 5th episode Cook with DL with Love. Vanakkam. Oh, nobody haven't come yet, love. Wait, they come ready, I tell you. Come on, all fall in. Today we are cooking with brother Bhaskaran. Okay, Bhaskaran rascal. That's how I call him. Later we will find out why the rascal come out at the back. Okay? Okay, come. Hi, Dash. Oh, Dash. Hello, Anjali. Hello, sister Kala. How are you? Vanakkam. Bro, now you must say Vanakkam, love. People coming in already.
Vanakkam.
This is our brother Bhaskaran. Okay? Bhaskaran was rascal. Okay, so today, finally I managed to capture him and do live with me. Nobody can run away from me. Okay? I am marching. Okay? So, regardless, hello, Sister Shasha Kuti. Hello. Oh, good to see you. You're joining. Very good. And good to see Sister Kala also. Very good. Please like and share to 5 group. And one is your Facebook wall, so that your friends can come and join. Okay, this show, it's all about, sharing cooking with love. Okay, so every time, everyone at home, either wife or husband, they will ask, hey, tomorrow cook what? Hey, Saturday, Sunday, want to cook what? Okay, that is the reason why we started up with this show, with bringing in our own beaters. Okay? Okay, got echo. Bro, bring down the volume. Very good. Okay, they must share first lah. Let them share. Okay, Hi. Okay, so that is the reason why we started this show. So hope that you guys can give us the support, okay, by sharing the video. Okay, and don't forget to please follow and subscribe our follow our page and subscribe our YouTube channel. So because every live, whatever cooking that we are doing, or even our live bidding and all that, everything will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. So it's DL Style Auction, also the same name for the YouTube. Yeah, okay, today I'm very stable. I am ready. Okay, today we're going to cook. What are we going to cook, brother? Come, I'll show you.
Crab masala.
Crab masala. See? They are murderers. They killed the crab. Okay. Darren, Vanakkam, Chef Darren Marley. Wait, Vanakkam. Brother Sashi Kumar. Brother Bhaskaran.
Vanakkam, brothers.
Bhaskaran were rascal. Bro, I want to ask you a question.
Yes, bro.
What is this?
Which one?
This one.
Crab.
I know.
Mud crab.
Mud crab.
Mud crab, yeah.
Mud crab, I know. I just test you only whether you know or not. Testing only. Okay, we wait for another while. Okay, while people are sharing, so let them share. Okay, don't stop giving that love sign, the like sign and all that. Okay, this is how, you see, the end of the day, you guys can see me. You can hear what I'm talking, but I can't see you guys. So the only way is to communicate to each other is by your comment and the love sign and the like sign that you guys going to give. Oh, who from Desna giving all the love sign? Very good people. I like it. Very much. Okay, so today we're going to cook. What are we going to cook?
Crab masala.
Crab masala. Okay, so a lot of ingredients are here, so we're going to go one by one, step by step.
Very simple step.
Very simple.
Very simple step.
Let us step.
Very step.
Me lah, alamak, thank you lah. You very nice lah. Sorry, I no speaker today, but I dance for you. Never mind, next live, you come to my auction, I dance for you. Okay, come, like and share. Okay, guys, so far this is the 5th episode we have done. Okay, you all can put your comment. The rest of if you have seen our other cooking live videos, please do give us your feedback. Okay, so you see, it's always we are always very honored and happy to get feedbacks from people to make this show even better. But better than this, I don't know how to make it even better lah. Okay, I'm trying my best already lah. Okay Okay, wait all busy lah talking. We are talking here, everyone busy talking in the WhatsApp lah. Oh, alamak. I can hear my voice. Cantik macam bunga. Okay, let's not further ado. Okay, so those who come in between, don't not to worry. What you share already? Okay, so those who just join in between, don't worry. Okay,
ஆமா bro சசி crab வந்து MU ல இருந்து வந்திருக்கு import straight
they thought Liverpool I am right, you see now menu. See crab lah, I always like to pull down the menu. Yeah. Okay, so first time ever, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, a Liverpool fan is going to cook with a menu fan. We walk hand and see, like we say lah, don't never walk alone. We walk together. Yeah, regardless whatever it is. Okay, it's just a game. Okay, the end of the day, it's about giving one hand to the other hand to pull them up. That's why we kill the crab. Bro, correct,
Yeah.
That's why we kill the crab. We don't want to have the crab story. Every time pull down. You see color, it's the colorful Liverpool. Alam, bila, darah lah. Nama macam mana pun, tembak pun, ada lah. Kosong. Okay, so first thing first. Okay, let's start. Okay, first, what can we first do first?
First,
Okay, what is this?
இதுதான் மசாலா.
Okay. Okay, what are the ingredients inside here? Okay, this is the aracham masala. Okay, that means grind masala. Okay, can you all see? Okay, so what is mixed? What is this inside? Coconut. Hey, my country coconut. Di mana? Coconut down there. Jaman coconut. Okay, coconut.
Coconut. அப்புறம் 15 pieces small onion.
Okay, 15 pieces of small onion. Okay, ready? Pin there ready,
15% இது என்னது பூண்டு.
What is pundu in English?
Garlic.
Okay, very good boy. Okay.
Then
Garlic, how many garlic lah?
15 pieces.
15 pieces of garlic. Okay.
அப்புறம் வந்து ஜீரகம்.
Ah.
சோம்பு.
Jeeragam is what to say,
சீரகம் ஃபெனல்.
Fennel.
Fennel.
Sister Monrani, Jeeragam, what is called in English? Where Sister Monrani don't know go where? Okay,
3
never mind.
teaspoon. 3 teaspoon serum.
Serum 3 teaspoon. Okay, then.
Fennel மல்லித்தூள் வந்து 3 teaspoon.
Okay, Mallitul. What is Mallitul in English lah? I teach you all so many times you all forget. I testing you all.
Black pepper.
Black pepper. Okay, black pepper how many?
1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon. Okay, never mind, don't worry. Everything is there already. Okay,
Cumin and fennel seeds.
camel seed.
Cumin and fennel.
Cumin and the fennel seed.
Yes, பெரிய ஜீரகம் and சின்ன ஜீரகம்.
Peri jiragam and the sinna jiragam.
Right.
Right. Okay, very good. I teacher, there's no doubt.
Master chef.
Hello, I teacher lah. No respect you.
Then mix well.
Then you grind already, everything must mix well. Must be like this.
Coriander.
See?
Black pepper.
Like this. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, we go all the ingredients one by one. Okay, next is what?
சின்ன வெங்காயம்.
Okay, small onion. This one how many piece?
Lastly தாளிச்சு போறோம்.
Okay, we will just show them first. Okay, this one is how many onions inside?
15.
15 pieces. Why everything 15?
Mustard seed.
தக்காளி 3.
This is tomato. This is takari. Okay, this is called the tomato. Okay. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Desu kawaii ne. Tomato mache tomato. Okay. Tomato. How many tomato you put?
3.
It's a 3 tomato. Jingyong, Jongling, Jingkong. Okay, 3 tomato.
அடுத்து மஸ்டர்ட் என்னமா?
Mustard seed.
மஸ்டர்ட் சீட்
And urda.
Okay, urdal. Okay, this is urdal. Okay, and mustard seed.
Yeah.
Okay, this one how many teaspoon? 3. Okay, tiga. 3克. Then in Japanese, so you may try to make it change. Only can chong.
Chili powder.
Taste stress. Hey, that one is very good. My language.
Chili powder உரப்புக்கு.
Chili powder, whatever, how much spiciness you want, you go accordingly lah. Okay, but today I'm not going to eat so spicy.
This one for 3.
Can you too spicy?
3 teaspoon.
3 teaspoon.
Then மஞ்சள் தூள்.
What is the manjat tool?
Half teaspoon.
This is called the what is it?
Turmeric.
Turmeric powder.
தமிழ்ல சொல்லுங்க மஞ்சள் தூள்.
Manjari tulu.
மஞ்சள் தூள் இல்ல மஞ்சள் தூள். மஞ்சள் தூள்.
Manjari tulu.
Mamana
macha manakattavani.
மஞ்சள் தூள் கொடுக்க மாட்டாங்க.
யாரு கேக்குற manjari tool? Cannot give you. Next.
garnish கருவேப்பிலை, கொத்தமல்லி.
What is this called? Curry leaf.
கருப்பிலை கருவேப்பிலை
Karuda. Huh?
கருவேப்பிலை
Karuda vepale.
கருவேப்பிலையா கருவேப்பிலை
Karuvana vepale. Ah! Curry leaf. This is what?
கொத்தமல்லி
Kotrana mali.
கொத்தமல்லி
Kotamali. In English, what is this called?
Coriander leaf.
Coriander leaf. I know. I tasted
இஷ்டமத்துல வேற
it.
மாதிரி போயிடும்
Wow! So far. The crab fly. Yeah. Bro, the crab from MU, bro. Study. Hey, what you are talking about?
டேஸ்ட்டுக்கு வந்து
Salt.
சால்ட்
Salt. Salt, you don't. Okay, remember, salt, you don't put there first. Put in your mouth first. You test the salt first. It's good quality. Then you put there. Okay.
ஓகே
Okay, சமைச்சிருவீங்களா?
இப்போ வந்து நமக்கு போகிறோம்
Okay, now we're going to cook ready, huh? Then later we go for the review, lah. Someone write something very long, but I don't know who write what. Okay. Ready, get ready, sir. Ladies and gentlemen. Okay, welcome to the 5th episode of Cook with DL with Love. Okay, so this is Bhaskaran Rascal. He's also our bidder. Okay, he's been very supportive towards our DL style auction. Right, so we get all our own bidders to come and share their love for cooking. And of course, after this, we will go for food review. So this is how it's going. Now today we're going to do is this thing called prawn masala. Correct?
crab மசாலா
Crab masala. What prawn masala? Anyhow only. I test you only. Alamak, you very fast like me lah. Okay, let's start. Okay, come.
ஓகே
First do what, bro? Put the hand inside lah.
no.
Oh no lah. Oh, okay.
First we put the masala inside
Okay, put the masala inside. Where? Here.
there
Okay. No need to on first ah.
no need
Okay, no need to on first ah. Oh, use this spoon lah. Okay, how many spoon?
half of this
Half ah. Like that. Okay, you help me. My assistant. Hey, I'm the main cook ah. He only my assistant ah. You all don't mistaken me ah. He doing like how I teach him. Correct? Good boy. Later I give you chocolate.
ஓகே பத்தலனா நம்ம ஆட் பண்ணிக்கலாம்
Okay. So you go according to the size of your crab. Okay ah. Okay, very good.
then next
Rajesh, bittersweet, 4. Ah. Okay lah, put all. Okay, we put all
So
lah.
that you will have more gravy.
Sister for me to put in the mouth lah.
can
Hey, Raina.
we will share for a while
Aiyo. If I set up, then later they cannot understand.
never I talk
You talk.
yeah
That one ah. I want to cook.
one day we talk that
That one we sit down and talk.
Yes.
yeah
Okay, so do not on the fire first. You put everything here first. Okay, this one a little bit different lah. They have their style way of doing it lah. Okay. Then after that, put the crab, make it raw and then eat. No ah? No, cannot. Okay, I'm tired, man. I talk many
and
minutes.
put tomato
Okay, after that, put tomato. All the tomato inside.
all the tomato inside.
All the tomato inside. Okay. How many tomato this one? We say 3 ah?
Three.
3 big ones ah. Hey, don't the small one ah, big one ah. Okay. Okay, next.
Next we put
Yeah, I think he a bit nervous. Because I standing beside what? I a chief chef. Chef or the
powder.
chef? Put chili
turmeric powder.
turmeric powder. Okay? According to the size of the food that you're going to cook lah. You all should know lah. Everything I cannot teach lah. Come on, naughty all.
Coriander powder
Coriander powder what?
3 teaspoon
3 teaspoon. Coriander powder 3 teaspoon. They should. Hello, good afternoon, Chef Bhaskaran. Hey, what Chef Bhaskaran? Then this one who? I'm the chef. My assistant.
Yeah.
Bro, you said you tell them you're my assistant.
huh
You tell them that you're my assistant.
Okay.
யார் அது
Ayyo, Shami. Okay, what are you putting? Why you never tell me?
இது என்ன ஜீரகத்தூள்
No,
chili.
coriander.
மல்லித்தூள் மல்லித்தூள்
Coriander.
மல்லித்தூள்
The coriander, you know how did the name come in coriander? Okay, let me explain to you. Back in the 1960s, and I forget about it.
then
Long
chili
story.
followed by chili powder
Okay, then chili powder.
4 teaspoon
4 teaspoon. Ayyo. 4 teaspoon.
yeah for you 3 lah
Okay, thank you. It's a very spicy, you know. Bhaskaran can cook. I know. That's why I get him to cook. I know already, sister. He cannot run away from my eyes. Rajesh, bittersweet next week is
Salt
cooking
for
with you.
taste. Salt
Salt a bit. Okay.
போட்டுக்கோப்பா அப்புறம் டேஸ்ட்
Yeah,
பண்ணுவோம்.
later.
Okay.
Okay, you just add a bit first lah. Then after you cook ready everything, then after that, then you done. Then after you must saute. You want me to help you?
Okay.
Okay, come and help you. You see first, bro. This handle cannot be here. Okay. This handle must be here. Okay. See, chef don't know. I must teach everything.
What is the masala?
We must saute everything. We mix well, Okay, while we are mixing it, we pour the water. Okay, this one roughly how much? 2 cup of water. Okay, then you mix well. Okay, we haven't on the heat yet. You got to mix first. Okay, do you know why? I'll tell you. I'll explain to you why later. Because we are cooking crab. Okay, seafood usually you cannot overcook. Later they become like rubber. Okay, there's a way of cooking crab. If you all didn't know. We want the crab to be taste very nice, so it will take some time. So you mix everything well. How is my saute? No, I cannot lah. This one no good lah. Not my standard lah. If not, I let it no bro. Then the masala will go out.
நம்ம பெரிய ரெஸ்டாரன்ட் செய்வோம்.
Okay. Thank you, bro.
பெரிய சட்டியா எடுத்து சரி.
ஐயோ.
ஒரு சட்டி நீங்க உட்கார்ந்துக்கோங்க, மறு சட்டில நான் வரேன்.
Oh no. I sang it.
Okay, இப்போ வந்து கிராப் போட்டுப்போம்.
Okay, now we will put the crab. Okay. Cantik lah Bhaskaran.
கிராப் வந்து சூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம் நீங்க என்ன கிராப் வைக்க போறீங்கன்னு.
GGMU macam. Hi. What GGMU? Okay, put the crab ready.
Okay.
Yes.
See the crab is smiling at me and crying. Don't cry for me, Argentina. What Argentina? Okay, so we will mix well. We have yet to turn on the heat. Okay, you have to mix well and all that because you see seafood something especially crab. You overcook. I tell you, the meat will be like rubber. Okay, which is a lot of people don't know. Correct, my sister?
True.
See, I know. You think I don't know? I know. Y'all only don't know. Nice jersey. Hey, stop it with the jersey,
Shamini, right?
No.
Okay.
Ganesan Guns. Wow, my favorite. Hello, Christian. Christina, David. Hello. Sister, how are you? I did cook with Christina, David also. I also teach her how to cook. Whoever do life with me, everyone learn from me. Good students, I like. Okay, mix well ready. Now, because the thing always got to really go into the meat. Okay, that is the reason why we did not on the heat yet. Okay, so please remember, for those who have been cooking crab wrongly, just knowledge to be shared. Okay, crab you cannot overcook. When you overcook, it tastes like a rubber.
2 cup of water.
Okay, after once you mix well, another 2 cup of water. 1 cup drinking cup. Or cup 2 cup. Tama lai, sorry, cup. Yeah man, hey y'all man. Y'all want me to sing song for y'all? Y'all want me to say the Shivaji dialogue? Don't want.
Okay, now we come on the heat.
Now we fire starter. Start the fire, bro.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yes. If you want bigger fire, you can use the other stove.
Why bro, today you went from...
Use that. Or you can bring it near to me. Brother Darren?
Bro, please sing a song. Yes?
No.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, or not? You can use the first one also.
This one. This one.
Yep. Just
Okay.
try. Try and error. Try and
He is starting the fire. It's a fire starter. Yes, please sing a song. I don't want to shy. Why you always ask me to sing song? Cannot I need to cook, okay?
Okay. Then another one. Okay.
Yes.
Correct?
Okay, correct. Okay. This is also knowledge, I used to learn how to start the fire. Tembak! Delivery available? No. It's all for me only. Correct, bro?
Yeah.
Yeah. Correct.
Only for Farah sir.
Oh, sure.
I don't see the assistant helping at all. Hey, he's starting fire or what? Fire also must go and put the food inside,
We close for 30 minutes.
Oh, okay. We
And
close
every
for
10
30 minutes.
we open and stuff.
Okay, so okay, this is going to cook for 30 minutes, huh? So you all got to bear with me for 30 minutes. I arakran you all. That means I'm cutting. Okay, so every 10 minutes you got to open up the lid and you got to saute the crab. Okay, so please remember, but cooking crab, you're not supposed to overcook. When you overcook, I tell you the meat will become like a rubber. Like you're eating the rubber. You know, I'm talking so much, nobody give me drink. Where is my green tea?
We are using raw crab, so okay, but unless you're using flour crab, then
Rock crab. Okay. Why the crab is from the rock?
then Sri Lankan crab.
Sri Lankan crab. Okay. So today we are using what crab?
Sri Lankan crab.
Today we are using Sri Lanka. என்ன கடிக்கிறீங்க நீங்க என்ன மாதிரி சொல்றீங்க? See, I Sri Lankan Tamil I talk, you know. என்ன மச்சான் என்ன விசில் பிடிச்சு விட்டுதா உங்களுக்கு எல்ல? ஐயோ. என்ன மாதிரி கடிக்கிறீங்க? Because I was in Sri Lanka for 1 month. I was in this place called Colombo 6. Okay? This place called Vellavette. Yeah, that's where all the Indians are there. Yeah, I was there. I was doing business there. Okay. Menu crab. Okay, so you see, cooking is something which is not an easy task. To be frank with you, okay, all the while I didn't say cooking was not it's not easy. I didn't say that, but of course, see, so much of time been spent. Okay, make sure it's a proper enough of ingredients. A lot of maybe your wife, your mom, or even the husbands are cooking for the wife or for the family, for the children and all that. So always appreciate whenever they do this kind of thing for you. Okay, it's not easy, you know. Some actually the ladies all they never wear like this, you know. Then the men also never wear like this, you know. I wearing like this hot, you know. You all must appreciate, no. Okay, come, I sing for you. What song you all want? Come. Who want me to sing? Come, put up your hand. I sing for you all. What song you all want? Okay, so this is going to cook for 30 minutes. So every 10 minutes you guys got to take out and you got to saute the thing. Okay, double check lah whether the crab come back alive or not. Later you put your finger, later crab ain't come like that problem. Who is crying? Must be Ganesh and Gans lah. Who else? Come on, tag me people, tag me. Oh, only one person Allah, my problem lah. I say man, I am sad. Only one person want me to sing crab song bro.
Crab song?
What crab song?
ரெண்டு கதை.
Crab male or female setengah? Half. She meal. What a question. Come, Ganesan, I clap for you.
செக் பண்ணுங்க. நான் வந்து செக் பண்ணுங்க.
Opa song. Oh, hi darling. Kokila, saying hi darling.
Hi.
Hey, you never say hi to this brother, you can say hi to the darling, You stop it, Kokila. Stop your nonsense, no respect to you. Hey, only one person want me to sing a song. Sis, you want me to sing a song?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay, thank you. Bro, you want me to sing a song?
Let's get entertained.
பரவாயில்ல bro, விட்டுருங்க. By the time you want to reply, I like think 10 times like that. My problem. Y'all never appreciate. I tell you in Singapore, this is the sad part. People don't appreciate. Appreciate. Bro, I don't talk to you.
Why?
You put too much of chili.
இன்னும் இடிச்சு போறதுக்கு இருந்தேன்.
ஐயோ. Naughty. Okay?
அங்க எத்தனை லைக்ஸ் ஏறுதோ அத்தனை சில்லி படி ஏத்துறேன்.
Okay.
I see how many.
என்ன
Hey. Oh.
Okay, stuff பண்ணுங்க.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, I already can smell, Hi, nice smell. Now the crab is dancing inside. Dancing. So this is what we call masala crab. It's a Sri Lanka. Okay, it's from the Sri Lanka. Okay, the reason why I'm not going over there to saute the thing is because I want to see whether is he doing correctly like how I taught him earlier. Because we had a rehearsal before this. Yes, bro.
கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டம் தான்.
Yes, bro.
அதான் வாங்கிருக்கோம் நீங்க சொல்லுங்க.
You naughty boy. Okay. Okay, so the first live what we did was with Brother Bhaskaran's wife, which is Mon Rani. Okay, the first thing we did was sesame chicken and tiki tofu. Oh no, I remember.
யார் யார் அங்கே ஹாய் சொல்கிறீங்களோ எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஹாய்.
Hello, hi sir, bye.
Bye.
Okay. Ganesan Gansis. Nah, Ganesan Gan is watching. Ganesan Gan is watching. You kena already. I think bro, your Facebook got problem already, you know. You see so many times Ganesan Gans. You see?
Oh yeah.
This one has been happening. You know who kena this? Meha kena the other day.
Oh yeah.
I don't know. I know something is wrong.
Yeah, why?
You see? Again.
Mm.
Ganesan Gans is watching. Something is wrong with your Facebook. Ganesan Gans, remove the menu. Then okay already. Settle already. Put the Liverpool. Famous bro. Famous bro. Bye bye. Famous. Why you are Amos brother? Mr. Famous. Oh, Chef Bhaskaran. Jiva Priya.
கொடி பறக்குது.
கொடி பறக்குதா? பறக்குது, கீழே விழுந்து கிடக்குது.
ஒருக்கி தூக்கி நிற்க வைப்போம்.
நிற்க வைங்க, நாங்கள் வந்து நொட்டை நடந்து சொல்கிறோம். சாப்பாடு போடுறோம் அப்படி. Hey, he purposely wear, that's not why he wear black t-shirt. When I want to go live straight away, he get my t-shirt, many t-shirt. What does that mean? Every time you say what Liverpool, what I am, right?
அடுத்த லைஃப்ல வந்து கச்சாம்பூர் செய்வோம், கச்சாம்பூர்.
Then now you see what happened? Many cooking for Liverpool. Allah, Beramari. Okay, we cannot speak in Tamil. We got Chinese viewer and Malay viewer and some of them from Madagascar, from my country. My coconut men.
Okay.
Okay? Do you say hello to all my coconut people?
அதான் சொல்றேன், எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஹாய்.
They don't understand Tamil. You can put your head. Turn close. Okay now. See? Hey, the smell is very nice, The Nandu want to go climb out. You never do like how I teach you lah. Come back for your course again. Recourse. Must send him for recourse. Okay, those who are first time here, please don't forget to love, like, share, follow and turn on the notification. Okay, this is program, something that we are doing, Cook with DL with Love. This is something which is we want to do it with all our bidders, right? So whenever you see our life, all of them are our own bidders. Okay, so they have the passion for cooking, okay, so that's where I get all these people and to come forward and try to do this cooking with us, right? So this is something we are sharing. Okay, so this got nothing to bid or pay or anything like that. It's everything is on free. Okay, this is coming from the heart. Correct. First time Bhaskaran say correct. Wait, we still got Vechu say. So Mr. Ganesan Gans, how was the drink yesterday? Malibu. Very Malibu. A nice order smell. Later I want to eat. Okay, after this we can do the food review. Okay. And those who have yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. I think we already pinned down there. Okay, Farah is here today. Farah's job is just to eat only, no? She laughing already. She always come every Sunday just to test the food. No wonder she's getting fat. Correct, bro. Why are you so serious?
நீ என்ன சொன்னாலும் கரெக்டாக தான் இருக்கும். ஆனால் இன்னைக்கு வந்து உங்களுக்கு இந்த ஓடு மட்டும் தான் சாப்பாடு. ரெண்டு ஓடு மட்டும் தான் உங்களுக்கு.
Why are you like this?
இதெல்லாம் ஃபாராது.
Oh, Farah Chaya. Chaya. Sister, please stand by the Farah. Power, bro. I tried mixed with mango. Nice. Okay lah, good lah. As long as you like the taste, good lah. But definitely, pineapple is still the best lah. It's a blend with the mix with the coconut. The coconut is coming together. It's a very nice Okay. Hey, today nowadays all my cooking all I relax chill, you know. Because I must oversee my student. Okay, even I'm talking like that, I'm looking at the camera and seeing what is he doing. He's smiling at the camera. I'm sorry, smiling at the crab. Is the crab smiling back at you? You know what is the reason behind the smile? I mean the smile. I tell you. இருடி வெச்சி செய்றேன்.
இல்ல நண்டு என்ன ஆட்டம் ஆடி இருக்கும் கடல்ல. பாத்தீங்களா?
ஆட்டமா. திரோட்டமா. ஊட்டமா. கரெக்ட்டா?
அதே மாதிரி தான். நீ வேற ஆடுறாரு. அடங்கிடுவாரு.
வேற மாதிரி வெச்சி செஞ்சிருவோம். மச்சான் பாஸ்கரன்.
யாரு? மச்சான் பாஸ்கரன்.
I don't know who's the கச்சா.
ஓ, புஷ்பநாதன். வணக்கம் மச்சான், வணக்கம்.
வேலை வேண்டும்.
நாதன்.
Mr. Nathan. Hello brother. There one soul down here also. He never say hello to me. Why like this? Yen in Kolaveri. One person to Yishun.
Ade Yishun.
Veera.
Veera.
Veera also never say hello to me. What is this? Why you never say hello?
All family members.
Family,
மாமா மச்சான் சொந்தம்.
Very good la, அப்படிதான் இருக்கணும்.
பங்காளி.
என்ன பங்காளியா?
பங்காளி.
ஓ. காதுல பங்காளின்னு விழுந்துச்சு. Mind your language. Kids are watching. You don't respect me. Okay, those who are first time watching our live, don't forget to love, like, share, follow and turn on your notification. Okay? So please share this live in your Facebook wall. Okay? So that your friends will come and join and watch how is Bhaskaran cooking when I teach him. Right? Pais and check. Yeah, correct. Hi bro, alamak cantik macam bunga. Come. Hello brother, power lah. Okay bro, power to the good guy. Vera mari. Okay, so all the ingredients are already been there. Okay, how many more minutes to go? Still got. Okay, today is going to be quite a short live because we are just going to focus only on the crab. Okay, like I said earlier on, people who just joined us who didn't know about the crab. Okay, this is Sri Lankan crab. Okay, I already named them, but later I'll explain to you their names. We got Muthusamy, Ramasamy, Kandasamy. Hey, how many crab inside?
About 5.
5. Okay, Ramasamy, Kandasamy, Kupusamy, Ongasamy, Engasamy. Anjasamy. I named them already.
Say you can kill time as well.
Okay, மீமாவில் என்ன செய்வோமா இது வெந்துட்டு இருக்கட்டும்.
Okay.
வெஜிடபிள் கட்டோம்.
Okay, next we're going to go to the vegetable. Okay, while this thing is cooking, we will move on to the vegetable. Okay, let's go. Guys, this is the vegetable?
Yes.
What vegetable is this?
Bayam.
Di mana, sayang di mana? Di sana, di sini, kamu di mana? Yang ku cinta. Oh, cik. Okay, this is sayur bayam. Okay.
Sayur bayam.
Why do they call it sayur bayam? You all know? Nobody can answer me.
இது சட்டி. டேரன் ஆப்ஷன்ல அது வாங்கலாம். அது வாங்குனது தான் கண்ணா கொஞ்சம் வருஷம் கூட ஆயிடுச்சு.
நல்லா தானே போயிட்டு இருந்துச்சு. என்ன டீ பிரேக் போட்டாரு? No respect, Bhaskaran. Give respect, take respect, eat respect. But don't vomit lah. Cannot vomit. Today I want to eat. Cannot. Okay, so do you all know why they call this? My head going. Do you know why they call this sayur bayam? Can anyone answer me? Come. Anyone answer me correctly? Wait, I'll tell you later lah. Never baya. That's why bayan. No, wrong. You don't know, say don't know lah. Don't drama lah. I see you know lah. Okay, someone say don't know. I'll tell you the answer. Come. Anyone know why do they call it sayur bayam? Come. If you don't know, just say don't know. I will explain to you all. One person say don't know. Okay, ready, settle ready. Come.
Okay, I don't know.
You don't know, our sister?
Say.
Okay. Don't know, brother. Badru. Okay, very good. Because I also don't know. That's why I asked you all. Sister, I also don't know.
Yes, you know.
That's why I asked you all. Sister Moon Rani angry. Hey, stop playing with the fireman. I am a fire starter. Di mana? Find it.
Yalah.
Yesterday only I cook stir fry bayam with ikan bilis. Wow, dah. Sister Christina, I think I need to go for my second lunch. Hey, Farah, when is that? Next week who, huh? I must check next week who is coming. Why you never send me, sister? Why you eat yourself? Bro, your hair dropping inside the bayam. Never mind, like, it's vitamin A to Z, like, doesn't matter. Nobody will die, lah. Mudi Ulinda, இது
முடிவு உள்ளதா கல்யாணம் நடந்து சொன்னீங்க ஏன் கல்யாணம் முடிவு உள்ளதா இப்போ இந்த வயசுல வயசாயிடுச்சு
நோ முடி உளுந்தா நட்பு பிரியாது
ஒருவர் அற்று போவாது
ஒருவர் அற்று போவாது
why so difficult? Tell me something easy lah.
நீங்க இப்படி பேசிட்டு இருந்தா அந்த வாரம் இங்கே அத்து போயிடும்
ஐயோ ஒருவது அறுத்துறது போகுது
அறுத்துட்டு போகுது
correct
அறுத்துட்டு போகுது
hey they change the Tamil lah. You never tell me. You will never come. You never come out. I want to come. Naughty girl, you. I don't friend you.
Okay, வெங்காயம் பூண்டு போட்டு கொஞ்ச நேரம்
saute.
Okay, you must put the வெங்காயம் and the பூண்டு and saute the burger. Come bro, I ask you, you are tired. You don't know. You never follow my instruction. How I teach you? You are a bad student. Sister won't run me. I teach her. You know how she do now. She follow exactly. Macam like copycat, you know. Okay, don't disturb me. I'm cooking now. பாருங்க bro, என்னை disturb பண்றாங்க.
Until golden brown, huh?
Until golden brown, huh? So we have the onions inside and garlic. Okay, huh? So this is for the sayur bayam, huh? Okay, while we are waiting for the crab, we will do this. So we have consider 2 dishes today, huh? Crab masala and sayur bayam. What is the name for this, huh?
Just the fried sayur bayam lah.
Just a perfect sayur bayam. This is GL sayur bayam.
Yeah.
Oh, barunya. Very nice.
The smell is so nice.
Yes, smells so nice. You see, the background come ready? Thanks to who? Very nice. Yeah, don't mention that. I tension. Hey, Brother Bhaskar singing, huh?
Hey.
Wow, Brother Bhaskar want to sing. Alas, he can do. Hello, that's not also I can do, you know. That's not the mixing is more important, you know. Putting the crab inside is not important. Okay? The saute is important. Someone say, hello, who? Who's that? Hello, Sister Maila Bharati, why so late? நிலவை பார்த்து வானம் சொன்னது, don't touch me.
உப்பு ஆட் பண்ணிடுறேன்
Okay, so we just add a little bit more salt according to your taste. Was busy. Okay, never mind. You're forget and forget. நிலவை பார்த்து வானம் சொன்னது, don't touch me. And
நீங்க பேசுங்க
Okay.
அதான் பண்ணணும்
வேற மாதிரி How do Oh, anyway, if you guys didn't know, we are the first one to do this kind of show in auction, okay, where we are getting our own bidders to come and do the cooking and share their knowledge and the love for the cooking, yeah? Yeah.
No, wait.
Farah, can you put the... Did you put the link for the YouTube or not? The link for the YouTube. Next week who, huh? Huh?
Sarah Ramandan friend, Gopal.
Oh, Gopalan.
Is it Gopal? I'm not too sure. Please don't mention names.
Darren,
I'm just
Parthu, Then பார்த்து don't touch me lah. Oh. நிலவை பார்த்து நன்று சொன்னது don't touch me. அந்த நன்று பார்த்து சரவணே சொன்னிச்சு don't touch me.
And off this.
How is it? Is it fantastic?
You can off this. Okay. Wait, Anna.
Kind of fantastic.
Kind of fantastic.
Yeah.
Never mind, don't worry. I will do the food review. I will say.
Okay.
Hey, first time I'm going to eat with do the food review cooked by Mr. Brother Bhaskaran or Rascal.
How's the onion?
Because the onions is getting better. It's very nice. It looks very good, beautiful. Much I want to go to the swimming pool.
கட்டையா இருந்தா ஒண்ணும் தெரிய மாட்டேது.
நான் இப்படி என்னால தூக்க முடியாது. It's hot-ஆ இருக்கு. கை சுட்டு.
Hey, bus.
Okay, this is you know to stand for the stand. This is oh, இங்க இருக்கலாம்.
Lower the flame. Lower the flame. The day I show you, right, there's the silicone glove is there also.
Ah.
Yeah, okay, good.
Good. Okay.
Okay, now you can add the
You
vegetable.
see, when I do something, I always like to share the knowledge with all my assistants. Okay?
Bus.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now we're going to put the...
ரொம்ப நேரம் கிட்டிக்கிட்டு இருக்காரு.
Put it by Vida.
Okay, now we're going to put the lamb inside.
Start பண்ணு.
Put it by Vida.
I need to hold the... Where's the glove?
நான் அது எங்க இருக்கு?
Am I?
Look,
இதோ green color.
that the silicone.
Oh, yeah. Alamak. Sorry lah.
You are not following what I taught you.
Yeah. You know why? Bhaskaran lah, not even.
வாங்க இருக்கு.
Bro, are you doubting me?
Okay.
Okay, come. Next one. Come on, bro. Trust me.
Wait.
Pathingla. This is skill, you know, bro. Make sure that not a single thing spill up. Later, Sitamon will scold. You don't like messy.
I'm supposed to scold Bhaskaran by now.
Yeah.
Look at his side.
You see? What is this? What is
So
cooking you?
dirty.
Dirty boy.
They come. So,
What's so what? I thought you were going to ask me clean.
Okay. Hey, this is a very difficult, you know.
Yeah.
Okay. Don't. Please try this at home with the adult supervision. Sitamon Rani. She's my first assistant, then she's my second assistant. Yeah.
I have half of the chicken stock. I mean vegetable stock.
Stirring skill have power a lot, bro. Hey.
கொஞ்சம் தண்ணி ஊத்துங்க.
Yeah.
கொஞ்சம் தண்ணி.
Sorry, நான் தண்ணி குடிக்க மாட்டேன்.
இந்த one.
தண்ணிலாம் ஊத்த மாட்டேன்.
தண்ணி
அதுக்கு
அடிப்பா.
தண்ணி அடிக்க மாட்டேன். தண்ணி குடிப்பேன். இதோ. இந்தி.
கொஞ்சம் தண்ணி.
A bit of the water is to store it.
Yeah, enough.
Chicken, fish.
Half a vegetable stock.
Okay, half a vegetable stock.
Yeah.
Okay?
And
Then you will stir it well.
bit of salt.
A bit of salt.
Half it. Yeah, okay now. Half
A
teaspoon.
bit of salt. Okay.
A bit of salt.
Half teaspoon, huh?
Yes.
Okay, now what? No need. This one already water.
Okay.
What is the chef name? This is Bhaskaran or Rascal. Is in our WhatsApp group what? J Joker.
Jade joker.
J Joker. அவர் என்னத்த ஜோக் பண்ணாரு தெரியல ஆனால் ஜே ஜோக்கர் போட்டிருக்காரு.
சேட்டைகள் அதிகம்.
மன்னிக்கவும். Bhaskaran or Rascal, Paramari. Oh, sorry, I'm having a call from Australia. They want me to go there and do a chef there. ஏன் bro சீரியஸா இருக்கீங்க?
ஷெஃப்னாலே சீரியஸா தான் இருக்கணும்.
யார் சொன்னா?
கொஞ்சம்
கிறிஸ்டினா டேவிட் அவங்க கேளுங்க.
கிச்சன்ல கொஞ்சம் சிரிச்சிட்டு தான் நம்ம
அது சிரிச்சிட்டு போயிருமா?
சிரிச்சிட்டு போயிடும் சாப்பாடு.
Okay, what we were trying to talk in Tamil is that very hard to
இப்போ என்ன செய்ய போறோம்னா கிராப்க்கு தாளிக்க போறோம்.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to saute the.
ஏன்னா முதல்ல ஆரம்பத்துல நம்ம வந்து எண்ணெய் ஊத்துல ஒன்றும்
Okay.
போடாம
Yes.
செஞ்சது.
Yes. Okay, so
So
now we're
now-
going to pour the oil and saute the fella again. Correct?
Not the fella, the other spices and
Oh, other spices. Oh, okay,
the
okay, okay.
onion, the curry, the
Okay,
mustard
okay.
seed, wood
Okay.
dal. Yeah. So do your veggie first.
Yes. Please
You
don't
can
disturb me.
actually close your crack.
Close your crab.
Masala okay.
Bhaskaran, how many times I must teach you all this? Close the crack.
Thank you.
The crack later run out. Then how I want to eat?
And if you can, please wipe the stove. Oh my god.
We'll clean quite the stove. Naughty boy, you see how dirty it is. I don't tell to anyone.
I got another assistant.
He dirty man. He dirty the this one.
Exactly.
See like me so clean.
You're so clean.
Yeah, thank you.
அடுப்பு அடைஞ்சு ரொம்ப நேரம் ஆயிடுச்சு.
No lah. No lah.
Have lah. Anyhow. Come di. Thank you dear.
முதல்ல வலிக்கும்.
நான் ஆக்கும்போது நீங்க நல்லா தானே பேசுறீங்க. என்ன ஆயிட்டு இப்போ உங்களுக்கு?
கை கறி வலிக்குது.
ஓ, நம்ம சோத்துல நம்ம வந்து சாம்பியன்ல. அதுக்கு என்ன காம்படிஷன் போக சொன்னாங்க. நான் போலன்னு சொல்லிட்டேன். Hello sister Mahalakshmi, what is the time now? Now you come. Huh? No respect. Hello Mahalakshmi, hello darling. இது ஒன்று சொல்லிடுவாங்க எல்லாரும். Hello darling, your darling, my darling. I'm going to cook this for my sis Bhaskaran Makals. It looks so easy. Venas, Chamni.
And
This
No.
method very easy.
Don't take the risk. Samni, stop it. Samni, stop it. Okay, today we are cooking this corn.
கீரை கருகுது.
Oh, I'm sorry. Don't disturb me, lah, bro. Can't you see I'm busy here? You see? Hola, Macam, this is the sayur-bayam. Okay? This is called the DL sayur-bayam.
taste it. See the salt is there now.
Come taste.
Yeah.
சேஃப் வந்து தண்ணி விட்டு அடிக்க போறாங்க.
Okay.
Definitely nice lah. Perfect lah. See who cooking lah.
முடியல.
Huh? Ayyo. I know. He cannot tahan the beautiful food that I'm cooking. Okay, so today we are doing this masala crab. Okay, with this sayur-bayam. Okay, very simple. It's very fast and simple dish. Okay, like I said, cooking a crab is something which is you need a little bit of skill. Why? Is because when you overcook the crab, okay, the meat will become like jelly. Yeah, like the rubber.
Then pass me the
Hello, bro, Nambi.
Okay.
sopat.
Okay. Okay, take out ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Come, give me the.
Close அடுப்பு.
This side you make dirty, you want to make dirty there also, what? Correct, sister?
Yes.
I know.
And I brother or first time experience.
See, wow, da!
கீரை அதான் வேற கீழே ஊத்துது.
Oh, illa.
Bring it nearer.
No lah, you don't anyhow lah, bro. Yeah, so simple.
ini baru betul.
Ni baru cantik macam bunga. Okay, then I'll take all the gravy and pour there.
Yes.
Okay, wait, I'll clear first. Okay, good lah.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Clean ah.
Okay.
Okay. Leave it in the cabinet. Leave it in the cabinet.
Yeah. Okay. Inside cook one, no nice, so nice. Okay, this is bayam, huh? Okay. Wow, lo cantik macam enggak. Next to take photo, Farah. I cook very hard, Oh, you're sweating, man.
Tissue இருக்கு.
Pass me.
Bro, where's the what? Where's the crab? The crab inside, resting. The crab is resting.
யாரு
Rest in peace.
Lambi.
Nambi.
Meha's
Husband, yeah.
husband. He's in our WhatsApp group.
Nah. Okay, here I can start.
Okay, whenever you get tired, when you cook too much, right, you got to have to hydrate
வந்து
yourself.
தாளிப்புக்கு
Bro, you know respect, I talking lah.
பேசுங்க ஜி பேசுங்க.
Okay. நான் தண்ணி தான்
Yeah, yeah.
Drama only.
Why?
Wash.
Yeah, all wash it before this.
Okay, next. We want me to do exercise?
Okay.
Okay.
Oil. கடைசில.
Okay, now we're going to saute the other ingredients for the crab. Okay, we already put this called the masala crab.
Yeah.
Okay, ready cooked and all that. Now everything is being cooked. It has to be cooked for at least 30 minutes. Every 10 minutes, you're going to open up the cover and just give a little bit of a stir and just close it back. Right. Then the next thing that already done with the sayur bayam, which is that's called the DL sayur bayam. The latest one. Okay. Then once we're done with that, now we are going to go for the other ingredients for the crab.
தாலிப்புனா என்ன சொல்றாங்க?
What is talipu?
என்ன வந்து ரெண்டு கரண்டி என்ன?
Talipu is what?
I mean, ask them in the group.
Talipu, I only know the title. Correct.
இதுக்கு என்ன சொல்றாங்க? கடுகு தாளிப்பா?
Mustard and the urda.
Mustard and the urda. Okay, now we're going to put the mustard and the urda. Okay, how many teaspoon?
But,
Okay, I haven't hot yet lah. So you don't put your fingers like that, must just let it only, Don't put inside, it's dangerous. Okay? Okay, 2 teaspoon.
Then this one.
The udra and madra.
This one now.
Hello sister. How are you? Okay, now he is trying to pull in the power.
Cook with comedy பார்த்திருப்பீங்க. நான் இன்னைக்கு வந்து cook with காட்டேரி.
Ayyo. Cook with Darren Mali. Bro, no Kateri. Darren Mali. Okay.
இது வந்து cook with காட்டேரி part 1.
No, this is Darren Mali.
காட்டேரி.
Part 5.
மூடி பாத்தீங்களா இல்லையா?
Part 5. That one is part 5 lah bro. Today is part 5. Part 1 to today is part 5.
Good cutter.
சும்மா பார்க்கலாம் அந்த காட்டேரியை.
Darren Melody.
Bro, you are going to be a
Okay.
professional chef soon. Yeah, I know.
One, தெரியும்.
Okay.
2.
Oh,
தெரியும்.
okay, this one later the bomb will come out. You must stay far.
Kadiki can put on more.
Okay, so they have put 2 teaspoon of what udra and
Mustard and the urda. Mustard seed.
mustard seed and urda.
Yeah.
2 teaspoon.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so you must put ready, you don't run away. Move slowly out. Little bit thing, fighting inside.
Okay.
Oh, you see? Or you.
Not like this.
Then put the dry chili and onion.
Small onion.
Ah.
நல்லா brown ஆகுறதுக்கு
Okay, come, I stir. You don't know how to stir. You are not focused in my cooking. Oh, put only the smell so nice. Why like that?
மாஸ்க் கைப்பட்டால எல்லாமே சாப்பிடுறாங்க.
Alangina.
பொறாமை.
சில நேரத்தில் சில மனிதர்கள், சில நேரத்திலும் சில நடிகர்கள், அதில் நானும் ஒரு நடிகன், நானும் ஒரு ரசிகன். இது என்னோட சொந்த தத்துவம்.
இதை நடிக்க சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. எழுதப்பட்ட உண்மைகள்.
ஐயோ, யாருங்க இவரை எடுத்து செடியில் எடுத்து சித்திரவதை பண்ணி விட்டு. Okay, so those who just joined us who have missed the initial part of the live, don't worry. Okay, you guys can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You guys can go there and check it out. Okay, this is something which we are doing for everyone, where you can try this at home to cook for your loved ones. Yeah. Okay, and of course, all the cook that you guys are, all the chef that you guys are seeing is all from DSL Option Beaters, who have been supporting us since day one. Okay, so this is something that we wanted to do with them, and this is something where we want to share with all to the rest of them.
நான் செட்டிங் செய்வோம்.
Huh?
ஆர்பிட்ரே.
Okay, and of course this is Sister Moon Rani and Brother Bhaskaran, okay, the husband and wife. Okay, they are also doing catering, which is called RB Suwe. Okay, later Farah will clean the this one. Farah, you don't sleep, Farah, are you there?
She's hungry.
Sayan,
Ayyo.
are you hungry?
Illa angry. She wants the jangri. Okay, so this has to be a bit golden brown, Okay, Brother Nambi, don't say this to people. I shy lah. You know what he say, no? He say I'm going to be a professional cook, you know. The professional. Yeah, professional.
Professional.
Yeah,
Professional, professional.
professional. See, place to make the place dirty, Bhaskaran. Our system won't run here to come and clean. What is this? No respect.
Assist சொன்னா கண்ணு ரத்தமா இருக்கும்.
வேற
Life ni.
Hey, who know how to do gulab jamun, huh? Ayyo. Yaar. I think we'll close the window. I think the wind very strong. Wait, huh? Close the window.
Okay. Lastly.
Curry leaf.
Okay, curry leaf.
Okay. For the smell.
Okay, curry leaf for the smell. Komla Vilas, bro.
Okay.
Not bad, huh? You doing like how I teach you. You're a good student, Bhaskar.
Welcome. Guruve.
My guru is Sisyan. Albert Ryan, hi chef. Hey, hello, Albert. Albert, today we are cooking the mutton.
Mutton.
Sorry, yeah. Masala mutton. Okay, this is called masala crab. Okay? So, Albert, not to worry. If you miss the initial part, no problem. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Or you can see our real life in our page. Okay, huh? So those who are first time joining us, don't forget to love, like, share, follow and turn on your notifications so when we go live, you guys can come. So every Sunday we are doing this new cooking show, which is all our beaters in our platform. They are coming forward, and of course we are very, very thankful towards them because it's not an easy task. Of course, they are taking that time and the effort to do the cooking and show their skill and their passion for cooking. This comes with the love. It's one love, one nation, one big family, y'all. You know what I'm saying? No cheek. Let's do this for the homies, y'all. He's a very good student. You see, very good student. So it's very must saute. Then they will know the combination. The timing must be there, bro. It's okay, bro. It's okay. Don't mention. You mention detention. I mention first. Di mana sayang di mana? Di sana, di sini, kamu di mana? Okay, after that I want to sing Chinese song. 我什么爱不完。
எடுத்து நம்ம என்ன செய்ய போறோம்னா அப்படியே நண்டு மேல எடுத்து ஊத்தி கிண்ட போறோம்.
Okay, so now what we're going to do, we already saute all these ingredients, the special ingredients for the nandu, which is called the crab. Those who didn't know what is crab called in Tamil is called nandu. Okay, Indians are well versed with nandu kada. They are very experienced. Okay, so Mr. Bhaskaran has already put everything inside ready. So we're going to saute one more time. Make a U-turn. After this, we can go straight away for food review. So do not go anywhere, right? Stay tuned. It doesn't matter how many views we have. What matters is people who really want to try this, definitely you will continue to watch. Yes. And it is not the first show that we are doing. This is the 5th episode. Next week also we have on Sunday. Okay. Hey, come say hello. Why everyone keeping quiet? I want to see who's watching. Come, everyone say hello. Hello. I say first lah. Hello. Wait, I put first. I put hello first. See, I put ready. Come, the rest follow. Monkey see, monkey do. No. I tell you, when I start the cooking, how bro? Yeah. Okay, ready, Oh, I'm busy talking, man. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the crab is ready. It smells so nice. Okay, this is Sister Monrani. Okay, the first cooking we started with her. Okay, they do catering as well. It's called Subay. RB Subay. Okay, so please, they have account also. Please make friend with them. Okay, so if you want to do small gathering, not more than 8, okay, you all can order. You can check their menu. All that. Okay. You want to get a special cook for you? Also can, no problem. எனக்கு வேலை கிடைக்குமா? என்ன சிரிக்கிறாங்க? இன்னும் ஜோ. தடச்சான். I only good for saute lah. I resigned from being a chef. Garrison, I'm waiting. I never forget, huh? I think I forget, right? Hey, the rest are not watching, lah. The rest are just looking only, huh?
Okay.
Okay. Nah.
Oh, wow! Yay! Masala crab. Wow, you look so nice. Nice smell. I'm gonna dip my fingers inside. Okay, so masala crab is ready. Okay, then we have this what do you call it?
Bayam.
Bayam. Stir bayam also ready. Okay, we're gonna put everything in the table. Then we're gonna go for food review. Let me go wash my hand first. You all just watch first, wait. Must wash hand lah. Hygiene. Yeah, hygiene. Okay, in a while I'm going to remove the handphone. Okay, while they are preparing that. Okay. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, you already see it looks good. Yeah, looks so good. Yes, I know. Okay. So now I'm going to bring the handphone over the other side. I'm going to extend the length of the handphone so you all don't get scared. Okay, wait. Yeah. Give me a minute. Sorry.
Fast time.
I know fighting. See, after cooking, you see, Bhaskaran is cleaning the place. Very good boy. Okay. Wait, I need to expand the thing. Wait, sorry. Okay, okay, we don't only teach you how to cook. After cooking, we teach you how to clean. So while you're watching Bhaskaran, I'll extend the stand. Okay, wait.
Basa.
Yes.
Side of the stove. Sweep up.
Sorry.
Sweep up the side of the stove. Move the thing here. There, the side, you see.
Wait. Okay. Okay, come. Sorry, I'm shaking a bit too much. Okay, wait, I'll go there first. See, okay, adjust for me. Is it saying it? Wait, I take out my apron first. Okay, wait. Okay. Lah cantik macam bunga. Wait, I take out my apron first. You don't see, I close your eyes.
Okay. Farah makan dulu.
Farah tak boleh makan lah. People cooking here very tired.
We cook.
Okay.
We have ask people to review.
No need. That one later she will dive in. Okay. Bhaskaran, why don't you come and sit here?
Okay.
Come, we get Bhaskaran to sit down with me. Okay, we're gonna sit down and eat together with Bhaskaran. Come.
நீங்க தான் பண்ணுங்க.
No problem. You eat together. Okay, can see him now.
Yeah, one more plate here.
Okay. Let it lah. Okay, so I'm going to do the review together the person who cooked with me.
சமைச்சிட்டு இருக்கும்போது இந்த கேக்கும் செஞ்சோம். இந்த கேக் காட்டல. இந்த கேக்கும் செஞ்சது.
Don't lie, huh? The cake I do lah. Anyhow, only. Okay, let's go for food review. So today we have cooked this. I don't want to use crab. Nobody will use fox and spoon. Very difficult. Okay, we're gonna put it aside. Okay, so what we're gonna do today? What we did was that we did this masala crab together with sayo bayam and of course the rice. What the rice I cook, you know. You see, rice cooking also, you must know the level of the cooking, you know. Too much of water, the thing will be very soft. Less water will be not hard. Hard. Not hard. Anyhow. Okay, so are we ready? Okay. Come, cook for you guys.
Memang ibu di sana.
Bisa dah saus.
Okay lah. We makan together lah.
பார்த்துக்கோங்க இவ கூட வந்து மீன் சர்வ் பண்றது இன்னைக்கு
நான் பாத்துக்கங்க all see when you cook for Liverpool. Okay, wait. Farah will just see us eating only lah. Okay. Yeah, I'm a very picky eater. Yeah. So wait, my hair is behind. Later my hair will go down.
காட்டி
Hey, no respect for Darren Martin.
Can we have the glass?
Okay, so I'm gonna take a bit of sayo bayam. I don't want so much. I'm not really a vegetable person, but I have no choice. Okay. Okay, not ready. Vegetable, I'm not really that pretty bit of the. Okay. Okay, next we're gonna go for the crab. Dive the crab. This one lah, Iman. Okay, I will add a bit of the masala. Farah's saliva is dripping already.
duduk ah.
Okay, I want to have a bit of gravy. Hey, my saliva all coming out already. Okay, so are you ready? Looks so good. Oh yes. Please try this. Okay, so I'm going to try the masala crab with this sayo bayam.
Saya bayar.
Okay. Okay, come. Let's try. Okay, always try with the gravy first, The masala.
Wow, must be honest, huh? Nice, say nice. No, nice also.
No, I don't like. Sorry. Wait, must crack the bone. Wait, I try the meat. Okay, the meat is here. Stop playing handphone game lah. Don't disturb me. I'm getting all the flavors inside my mouth. Okay. 1:10. Okay, what I will give him is. Wait, let me try the sayo bayam first. Wait, let me try. Hey, this one I cook one, I confirm 10/10. Sayo bayam. Look. The sayo bayam is nicer than the crab. It's because I cook. I'm very honest. Okay. The crab I will give for Bhaskaran is. Can make a guess lah. How many percentage should I give? Come, make a wild guess. Bhaskaran sent some to my house. I'm very angry. I'm very hungry now. Angry, yeah. Hey, hungry woman is angry woman. Ayo, our kena chop right. Okay, I will give him 10.
Yes.
Okay, it's really nice. So please try this. Okay, I'm not just saying for the sake of saying. I don't do that. Okay. So far, this is the fifth episode that we are doing with our viewers. Okay, this is something. It's not we have been cooking yesterday. We do with passion. Okay, it's always about love and all that. So with that, I'm really happy and glad. Thank you, Mr. Bhaskaran, for your time. And I really appreciate your cooking. Yes, the cooking is super. Okay, thanks to Sister Monrani. So please go and support them. They are doing catering as well, right? They are known as RV Suway. Okay,
RB food.
RV Suway. RV lah. Oh, not RV. RV. Change already, The last time they say RV. No. Okay, already pinned that already lah. Okay, so it's really nice. So you guys also can cook. Darren can cook, so can you. Okay, so that is the main motive behind it. Okay, and this is something which is you can share with your family, your friends. You can invite them over and cook for them, right? So that you will. Okay, cooking is something which you should share from the heart. Okay, so a lot of things you put all the ingredients and make sure it tastes nice and everyone loves that. I love this cooking. Kokila. Oh yes, it's nice. Okay, so keeping that in mind, so we're gonna give a small gift for Brother Bhaskaran, but my hand, I gotta give him in my right hand. But I just want to show, just put it here, because both of us, it's not right to give on the left hand. Okay. Yes, today is a small gift from us, right? So later we'll take photo together, then we'll upload. Okay, it was another successful 5th edition of our live cooking. Okay, next week we will be doing something else. So thank you so much for joining us. Please try this at home, and you don't have to track your head what to cook next and all that. So that is the purpose of me doing this. And of course, a lot of our videos who always wanted to share their knowledge of their cooking, but not every platform was open up. So that is where I wanted to do this in 2019, but I was lucky. I managed to do it in 2021. Yeah. So with that, with much love, this is Darren Marley signing off soon. Okay. So always remember, one love, one nation, one big family. Regardless of whatever problem you're facing in life, face up, chest up, keep the smile always. You look beautiful. So I'm going to dive in again now. I'm going to use 2 hands and eat, because that's how we did our coconut in our country. Okay, so with that, with much love. Okay, this is Bhaskaran. Thank you for watching. God bless. I will see you guys for our next live. Bye bye.
And finish.
Finish, Why so much?